To use CyberScout covered services. Start by understanding what CyberScout is. A leading provider of identity theft protection and data security services. CyberScout offers a range of services designed to help individuals and businesses protect themselves from cyber threats and respond to incidents. First, review the services covered by CyberScout, which typically include identity theft protection, credit monitoring, and data breach response. These services are designed to provide peace of mind and support in the event of a cyber incident. Next, learn how to access CyberScout services, which is usually done through a dedicated website or phone number. Most organizations that offer CyberScout services provide their members with a unique login or access code to use the services. Once you have accessed the CyberScout services, you can take advantage of the various features and tools available. For example, you can monitor your credit report for suspicious activity, receive alerts if your personal information is compromised, and get assistance from experienced fraud specialists if you become a victim of identity theft. It is also important to understand how to use the services in the event of a cyber incident. If you suspect that your identity has been stolen or your personal information has been compromised, contact CyberScout immediately. A fraud specialist will guide you through the process of responding to the incident and provide support to help you recover. Best practices for using CyberScout services include regularly monitoring your credit report and personal information, being vigilant for suspicious activity, and taking immediate action if you suspect a cyber incident has occurred. By following these best practices and using CyberScout services, you can significantly reduce the risk of identity theft and data breaches. In summary, using CyberScout covered services requires understanding the services available, accessing the services, using the various features and tools, and knowing how to respond to a cyber incident. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively protect yourself from cyber threats and respond to incidents with confidence.